Hello class, today we meet again for our maths lesson and we'll continue with inverse variation, and we focus on problem solving. Okay, before I proceed, let's see on your work that you have done 1.2b, question 4, especially for 4c. This one, some of you got confused. So let's see. Y varies inversely with x power 1 over 2. Okay, when you see two fraction here, you already got worried and you tend to make mistake. Okay, what do you do? This one, you just relax. X power 1 over 2, the power is fraction. This is actually the square root of x, the square root. If x power 1 over 3, it is actually the cube root of x. So remember this, don't panic. So you change this into equation, y equal k, remember to put the k over this one, change into a simpler form that you are used to, square root of x. Then now your job is, as usual, you'll find your k. To find your k, you just substitute your y and your x, your y and x here. So your y is 0.5 equal k over your x is square root of 16. So your k is, when you times this one, you will get 0.5 times 4 lah. This one is actually 4. So you get your k is 2. So when your k is 2, you just substitute it inside here. So y equal 2 over square root of x. Okay, then you can find your y. Y equal 2 over this one, your x, square root of 0.04. You just use your calculator, this one in one step. You can get the answer y equal 10. So that is the answer. So next time, just relax, don't panic, just do it step by step. Okay. Okay, now we can proceed to example 21. This one is problem solving in inverse variation. So the question is, according to Boyle's law, the gas pressure P, the gas pressure P of a mass of gas is inversely proportional to. Okay, inversely proportional to is the same thing as varies inversely as. Varies inversely as. So inversely proportional to the volume of gas V. So this is V lah. That's how you write your first information. If the temperature of the gas is fixed. Okay. The diagram of the right here shows the gas trapped in a cylinder. When the volume inside the cylinder is, when the volume is 80, the pressure, the gas pressure is P. P equal 19025. Calculate the volume. So calculate the volume. Calculate the volume when the gas pressure inside the cylinder is, when the gas pressure is 1 to 1.76. Okay. So now what you have to do is change this into equation form, K over V. Then you have to find your K by substituting the P and the V. So 190.25 equal K over 80. So your K, you times this one, what do you get? You get 15220. Yeah, 15220. So next, you substitute inside here the equation P equal 15220 over V. Yeah. Okay. So now you can find your V, yeah, here when you substitute your P. So you just put 12.76 equal 15220 over V. So this one will go up, right? 12176 V equal 15220. So your V will be this one divide to this one. Yeah. So 15220 divide by 12176. So you calculate this one, you'll get your V. Your V is 125. You put the unit cm cube. Okay. So that's how you solve problems in inverse variation. So any questions? Okay, you can always ask me, yeah, if you have any questions that you need help. So I think that's all for problem solving in inverse variation. So you want to stay updated, you can subscribe and you can always ask me. Yeah, I'll help you to conquer maths easily. Okay, bye bye.